I think it's time we fight back. Today, I'm taking AI's job.
Is the goal for you to be doing AI's job better than it?
A man can try.
Buckle up.
So Lenovo and Intel wanted to sponsor today's video where I check out their new Yoga 9i 2-in-1 Aura Edition. I figured, you know what? Let's have some fun with it. So I told you guys I was doing this and you gave me some prompts. So my goal is to respond to your prompts using the 9i 2-in-1 to get the jobs done.
Here's our first prompt. The biggest debate is the switch of iPhones and Android. Which apps run better on which phones? And some backpack video shorts.
I'm AI, so I can decipher that. We have a two-parter over here. We have a question and a video generation request. Copy. I got you.
This is the hood AI. Copy.
You're right, this is a tough switch. Well, most developers focus their time and energy primarily on iOS apps because it's easier and more profitable than Android. This leads to a better app user experience on iOS compared to Android generally. Okay, so that was part one. Now part two, we gotta make the video. So generating. I better get to work.
Wait, you're really making a video?
I have to. It's the part of the prompt. But as you guys know, videos take a little while to generate, so we're gonna come back to this. But before we jump into the next prompt, let's talk about this keyboard. So just typing that prompt right there felt awesome. This is like a very different finish for a keyboard. It's got like a silky feel and it's anti-oil and abrasion. So it has this coating that kind of resists oil as you're typing on it. So when you've got lotion on your hands, and I've got like fingerprints on the trackpad as you can see, but my keyboard looks clean. Look at this, Ari.
Wow, and you're a stickler for that.
Yeah.
Like you wouldn't let me use one of your keyboards before because of my hands.
It's the worst. And feel it, type on it.
Oh yeah, that's nice and soft.
Okay, so we're gonna get back to prompt number one. That's gonna take some time to cook. Prompt number two.
Oh, can I do one?
What, a prompt?
Yes. I'm gonna do one on Austin's behalf since he's been doing these type of prompts lately. Can you draw a robot riding a dragon with a drone next to it?
Oh, come on. You know what, that works. I'm okay with that because the Yoga 2-in-1.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh yeah, you didn't know?
I did not.
This is the special carrying case. So this comes with the Yoga Pen Gen 2. This is a little case for it and you can actually do something cool with this. So you can hide it right here with magnets. The new pen is actually updated to be way more responsive, have good battery life. It supports a bunch of protocols that I think artists would really be happy with, like Wacom protocols and all that. So it's actually a really good stylus. I'll throw up the specs so you guys can see what's in this thing. But right now I got a job to do. Yeah, check this out, Ari. So this is a 2-in-1. So you can turn this around. So this magnetic case that holds the pen, you can actually bring it all the way down and you get an elevated canvas. So let me open up Paint. So a robot riding a dragon.
With a drone next to it.
With a drone next to it. Okay.
This AI already forgot.
Yo, chill, relax. Thankfully, this thing has buttons where I can just erase. So I'll do this. All right, so I'll do this. Doom.
One eternity later.
This is really good, babe.
Listen, this is why they pay for the subscription, baby.
I will say, I'm impressed, mainly because I've known you for over 2 decades and I've never seen you like draw like that.
Really?
Seriously, I'm actually really impressed.
Thank you.
I think it could be better.
What?
It could be better. This is not AI worthy.
You know how much time I took to generate this?
Exactly. I wonder what this would actually look like. Can't we like do something to make that like spruce it up?
You want to actually use AI to see?
Yeah, for Austin.
Well, let me save mine first.
I am very impressed, though, I will say.
It's really good.
Well, I appreciate that. I'm glad you could recognize. Okay, so look, we could do co-create if you need to.
We need to.
A robot riding a dragon with a drone next to it.
You're already better than AI.
Listen, I'm more accurate, okay? I mean, this is not what she asked for.
No.
I don't think this is what you asked for.
It is not.
Like the feature itself, co-create is really cool. It's just that your boy is better. Well, I'm not gonna lie, this feels kind of blasphemous for this kind of video. So if you don't like my art, we'll ask a true, proper artist, Oscar. You can jump in and actually give this a try.
All right, let's give this a shot. Well, this pen feels nice.
Right?
It's very sturdy. I think I'm gonna use Photoshop instead.
What?
Ooh, that pressure sensitivity though.
Right? Pressure sensitivity has increased compared to the last generation. A lot has increased in terms of like the performance.
Gosh, I don't even know where to start. art.
He's doing the artist thing with the little circles first. Yeah. Perspective.
Circle. All right, real artist, how's it going?
Feels really good, man. Like, I'm pretty used to drawing with a paper-like screen protector on this. It's a little bit more slippery than I would like, but other than that, if you slap on a paper-like screen protector or something that feels like paper, this would be pretty up there with what I've used before.
It does look kind of good. How's the elevation with the pen case?
It has a nice, like, natural resting position to it. I think it feels really good.
Do you usually like draw with the tablet down that far, or do you do it higher? Like, do you position differently usually?
I always have it flat on the floor, but then I use like something to prop it up just a little bit. So this is actually a perfect angle.
Oh, wow. That was a quick drone. This is so cool. 5 minute sketch.
Not as good as yours, but
That is it's slightly better than
just
mine.
slightly better.
Oh, just slightly. So good.
Hold on, yo. I didn't even really get a chance to see it up close. What?
Good. So good.
That is insane.
And that was just like a quick, what, 10 minutes, if that?
If,
Dang, I wish I could do that.
well, you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna show Austin and be like, I did it.
You better not.
So if you're an artist, a big 2-in-1 user, and you like to draw, the Yoga Pen Gen 2 is definitely one of the biggest upgrades that you're gonna find here. This is just like on another level compared to the previous version. So huge upgrades here. Having this little bit, I think, is a nice touch as well. But if you need like other angles, let's say you want to draw the tote, actually is really functional. So this thing actually came in the box, and if you needed like a different angle, Oscar, you can just kind of go like this, sit this down here, and then you can go ahead and draw on it like this too. So you have like a completely different angle. So you have options out there, but Lenovo definitely focused on the artist experience with this one, which is perfect because I feel like there's gonna be a lot of art making today. Let's actually move on to the next prompt.
Updated backlog and Gundam collection.
A video needs to be generated here. So we do have a camera, we have a webcam built in, so we're gonna go ahead and generate that video. My collection is actually just all in this garage, so let's actually take a look. So this is one side, we have a full shelf dedicated to the Gundam over here, but right behind that, we've got quite a bit in between, and then we've got another 2 shelves dedicated over here. This is the backlog right now, and this side is also got a whole bunch. I've got quite a bit to get through. That's my little collection there. Now that was an easy one. I'll go ahead and clean that up. You know, we're generating the video. Let me know if you'd like a more detailed breakdown as a follow-up. Now, we'll say this, I don't think you want to use your laptop's webcam for content creation, but when it comes to actual video calls, that kind of thing, this camera is more than good enough. And it actually has noise canceling mics, so you know, you're in your video conferencing calls, you won't hear a lot of the background noise. The AI is going to cancel that out.
Can you give me feedback on one of my videos?
Yeah, that's like a very AI thing to do. Give feedback. Let's pull up the channel. All right, want to buy it product reviews. Quality's clean. Oh, look at Mr. Cinematic. Okay, that's a clean shot. Hey, let me put the volume up too.
I looked up and down.
These speakers though.
Yeah, I'm like, that
You
sounds
hear
good,
that?
yeah.
Look at the quality here, Ari.
Yeah.
Off the top of the head, it's probably 4 hours.
Broski, you got it. This is dope. Like, really nice looking content. I like the pops of color in the background. I'm a fan. I'm subscribed.
You sound like my bot talking to me. You just be hyping me up.
This is pretty dope. All right, so we jumped through a few videos. My only feedback, brother, post more. Like, I think you should post more often. These are good videos. I'll have the Wanna Buy It channel linked down below if you guys wanna check it out. Nice quality content here. I've been cranking these out. I deserve some lunch. Wanna take a little lunch break?
AI doesn't need breaks.
It needs water at least. I'll keep working while I'm on a break.
In the background.
In the background, generating. Did you enjoy that?
I did, but who's cleaning this up? Not me.
Okay, so Dread, how's that video going?
Honestly, this video really easy to put together. This one's not a lot of work. Like, I chopped it so easily on this that I'm gonna actually put like a more serious project on here and kind of see how that goes. Now, I was working hard to try and generate a YouTube video using some of like the files and work that we do here, but I realized that this really isn't the device for that kind of thing. This guy right here is built for long work sessions that focus more on like the productivity side of things and even creativity, considering we have this beautiful 2.8K OLED display, as well as the Yoga Pen Gen 2. And the long work sessions are gonna be possible because of the Intel Series 3 Core Ultra 7 processor that's inside of here, because it is focused primarily on power efficiency, so using less power as you're doing your day-to-day stuff, resulting in better battery life. And that Intel chip also brings a really big thing here, and that's those Thunderbolt 4 ports. So we've got 2 of them here, and while we're here looking at them, we've also got the USB-A port, HDMI 2.1 port, and a headphone jack. Even for a slim laptop like this, you actually got some pretty good I/O. So if your day is all about documents, design work, video calls, even AI, then this is kind of the setup that would work for you. Now, I will say though, the speakers here are fantastic. These are awesome speakers. Now, I already talked about the screen over and over, especially considering the fact that you can go ahead and pick this up and use it like a tablet. You're actually able to get a really good content consumption experience out of this because you got an awesome screen and great speakers. All right, this prompt took way too long. I got some other jobs to do.
From the Austin, not Duncan. Find some positivity in tech. Everything is too doomer right now.
So positivity and tech thinking. So it's currently day 6 of the Artemis 2 launching. So far, the mission has been pretty successful. Humans have gone the farthest that they've ever gone in space before, which is huge and just like inspiring. And if you haven't seen some of the photos that have come from that mission, I'm sure that will put a smile on your face. They are absolutely incredible, like mind-blowing stuff. Those astronauts, first of all, are like heroes.
And artists.
And artists, that part too. Those photos look great, but those guys are heroes for doing this for humanity. It's actually really awesome. Definitely check that out if you haven't so far, but I know you have. That should put a smile on your face. All right, so the next prompt.
The next prompt is, how much tech is too much tech?
Ooh, getting philosophical. Thinking.
Thinking.
It's too much tech when the tech you're getting doesn't serve a purpose or isn't actually useful. You shouldn't buy tech just to own it. There you go. I feel like that answers it. If you don't really need it, don't get it. That's when you got too much. Next prompt, baby.
Okay, this one's kind of long, but they're asking you for some good budget tech in a world where things are getting more and more expensive.
Thinking. That's a really, really good question. And I'm going to respond in the best way that I can by generating a video, but it's a YouTube video, so it's gonna take a little bit longer than the short form video that we just did. So keep your eyes peeled for that. That's coming because of you. So make sure you're subscribed and you got your notification bell turned on, because a budget-friendly tech video in today's age, yeah, I think we need one of those. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed me taking AI's job, having some fun as we check out the new Lenovo Yoga 9i 2-in-1 Aura Edition. They've improved a lot here. It's actually a really, really solid laptop. Links will be down below. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.